For this problem, determine the base 3 numeral for the base 7 numeral 4512 base 7. Now we want it in base 3. So first we have to figure out what this is in base 10, and then we have to figure out what is this in base 3. So what we do is we say, all right, what do each of these numbers mean? Well, this in base 7 is 4 times 7 to the third, and then 5 times 7 squared, and then 1 times 7 to the first, and then 2 times 7 to the 0. Now 7 to the 0 power is just 1. Now off to the side, got to do a little multiplying here to remind ourselves. Now 7 squared is 49. Now since this is non-calculated, we may have forgotten this, so what is 49 if we multiply by 7 one more time? So we get 3, bring up the 6, 7 times 4 is 28. If we add 28 plus 6, we get 34, so we have 343. Now, we have to multiply that by 4. So 3 times 4 is 2, bring up the 1, that's 7, 1 more, so 1372 for that. And then right here we have to take 5 times 49, so 49 times 5, so we have 5 and 4, so we get 245, plus 7 plus 2. All right, so let's add these together. 1372, and I can quick add these because this is 9, and so we have 245, so this becomes 254. If we add those, we get 6, 2, 1, 6. So we get 1626, but this is in base 10. And we're not done because we want this in base 3. So what we have to do is we have to say, okay, let's start dividing this by 3. Let's see how many powers of 3 we can get out of this. So let's zoom in here. So we have 1626, and I divide that by 3. All right. So let's see, we've got, whoops, going the wrong way, got to bring it down here, 1626, divide by 3, so that goes in 5 times, and then that goes in 4 times, and then we've got 2, remainder of 0. Now that's important that we have a remainder of 0. So now we divide this by 3. All right, so here so 3 goes into 5 once, leaving 2 more. That cascades down to the 4, so that's 24. This goes in 8 times. Now 3 does not go into 2, so that means we have a remainder of 2. So 180 divided by 3 is 60, with a remainder of 0. 60 divided by 3 is 20, with a remainder of 0. 20 divided by 3, that's going to be 6, with a remainder of 2. Remainder divided by 3, that's going to be a remainder of 0. And we have 2 left over, so that is the end of it. So there is our number, 2020020, and that is the number in base 3.